GrabPay bill payment stands out as a practical tool for managing everyday expenses while extracting real monetary value. Paying bills through GrabPay is not just about convenience, it is about turning unavoidable expenses into measurable financial benefits. One of the strongest advantages is cashback and rewards accumulation. Every eligible bill payment contributes Grab Rewards points, which translate directly into dollar savings when redeemed for vouchers, rides, food, or future bill offsets. Over time, routine payments such as electricity, internet, water, and mobile bills can generate meaningful returns that would otherwise be lost when paying through traditional bank transfers. GrabPay also offers periodic dollar-based cashback campaigns. These promotions often provide fixed dollar rebates or percentage-based returns capped at specific amounts, making it possible to recover part of monthly expenses. When combined with merchant or seasonal campaigns, users can stack savings and reduce total household spending without changing consumption habits. Another major benefit is cash flow flexibility. GrabPay allows users to fund bill payments using linked cards or balance, effectively extending payment timelines while keeping finances organized in one place. This structure helps users manage monthly budgets more predictably and avoid late fees that can cost additional dollars. Security and transaction tracking add further value. Each bill payment is recorded in-app with clear dollar amounts, timestamps, and merchant details. This makes expense monitoring straightforward and reduces errors common with manual payments. Dispute resolution is also simpler when transactions are centralized. GrabPay bill payment integrates seamlessly with daily financial routines. Instead of treating bills as a financial drain, the system reframes them as opportunities to earn, save, and optimize dollars already being spent. For users focused on efficiency, rewards, and disciplined expense control, GrabPay bill payment delivers tangible benefits with no added complexity.